You know what? Open any must-haves in your wardrobe Bible and it will all say you must have a crisp white shirt. This elegant classic can be styled in several ways and Bollywood seems to have gotten a draft of it. Hey guys, this is Anukriti Vaz and welcome to Bollywood on a Budget. One particular white shirt look that caught my eye was this promotional outfit of Bhumi Pednekar. It's your classic blue denims with your white shirt combo, but the styling is what makes it oh so unique. She wore a plain silk white shirt that she paired with a super high-waist pair of jeans that was a straight fit, cropped and hit right at the ankle. The denim buckle, the denim belt and the gathered waist on her Madison on Pedder jeans absolutely stole the show. See what a difference a statement pair of jeans can make to an outfit. She also wore subtle gold jewelry from Sakshi Junjunwala and a proud red pout to add a pop of color into the look. She finished the look by adding a pair of black high heels. This look of Bhumi would roughly cost you around 10,000 rupees, which is not so bad, but I certainly can do better. So let me show you my look. Here I'm wearing a white shirt which I got from Only and that costs rupees 1000 and trust me, I get so much use out of it. These jeans are from Promote and I got it for rupees 3000 and I've also added a matching denim belt just like Bhumi. And I've finished the look by adding a pair of classic black high heels. And for 4K, I have myself this stylish look that can go from a semi-formal work look to a brunch date real quick just by adding a few jewelry. So that is all from today's episode and I'll see you guys with another Bollywood look on a budget. Ciao! Hey guys, I'm Anukriti Vaz and welcome to Bollywood on a Budget. While white on white is not the most popular monotone color combination, our Bollywood celebrities seem to love it. And when I saw this white on white look on Bhumi Pednekar, I was sold. I needed a look like this in my wardrobe. She was seen in a Dalida Ayash coordinate set, which included a white ruffled crop top paired with a white tiered maxi skirt. She wore the look with gold heart-shaped earrings. This look from Dalida Ayash would roughly cost you a little over 1 lakh rupees. But hey, I'm here to show you how to get this look on a budget. So here goes. I found a similar white skirt from Ada that is layered and flared at the bottom. The skirt cost me rupees 2300. I've paired the skirt with this ruffled top from H&M and it cost me rupees 1500. And there you go, a look like Bhumi's for 3700. I hope you guys got some budget fashion inspo from this episode. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.